I'll go over the who, what, when, where's, and whys. Just keep it simple. Who? Well, you, of course, Toastmasters members, your friends, your colleagues, your acquaintances, strangers, basically anyone who you feel can benefit from Toastmasters, whether it be one time as a guest or as a full-fledged member. We welcome everyone. And in the spirit of Toastmasters cooperation, we are having a special joint open house with the San Marcos Toastmasters Club. So it won't just be our open house, it'll be their open house as well. So we want to make sure that we cooperate and we're able to help each other grow each other's membership as well. And what are the benefits of Toastmasters? Why should people come? Why should people like Gavin come? Why should your friends or families or acquaintances come to our open house? Well, we have a unique offering. We offer communication and leadership development. Development, that's the key word here. No one is here because they have everything figured out. No one came to this meeting or a Toastmasters meeting because they're like, oh, I'm a TED Talk speaker, I'm a professional speaker, I got it all figured out, I don't need to worry about anything. No, we're all here because we want to learn, to grow, to be our best self. So tell that to people who you tell about Toastmasters and you tell them about the open house. Tell them what they can get out of it. Are they looking to network? There's a broad range of professionals. Maybe they're a graphic designer, or maybe they're a budding archaeologist, maybe Frisco's daughters who saw a random bone in the desert, may be interested in paleontology or archaeology. You want to emphasize that this is also a place to make mistakes. Like I said, no one has it figured out. This is a place where you not only make mistakes, but it's a place where you can get actionable, tangible, constructive advice on how to improve. That is the key to Toastmasters. We offer not just a safe space to fumble and make your mistakes, but an opportunity to improve. When? March 17th, Thursday, 7 to 8:30 p.m., same as our usual meeting dates and meeting times. So be there or be square, folks. Where? Same place, online on via Zoom. The link is the same as always. Or if you're here in person, you know where it is because you're already here in person. We'll also be working on updating our guest membership experience. So when our guests come in on board, we have all the materials ready for them. We have the follow-up chain ready. So we have that workflow. We're working behind the scenes to update that workflow, and we would like to roll it out to successful completion in time for our open house. And lastly, why? Why are we having an open house? Well, as David mentioned at the top of the meeting, a lot of clubs have suffered from membership. Some have gone into hibernation, some have completely folded. We've had guests come from now defunct Toastmasters clubs, and they're looking to flock to our clubs. So membership is important. And throughout COVID times, our membership has suffered. The membership of Toastmasters all around has suffered. But despite all of that, the Great 108 has still managed to stay strong with our membership by maintaining our meetings and maintaining our general vibe, our enthusiasm, our spirit to keep the Great 108 alive. No, none of this happens unless we want it to. We make it happen. And we have to be the advocate for the 108s. You have to advocate for Toastmasters. Be that person. Sure, you get shot down, like, oh, I'm not gonna have time. That's fine. That happens. We're used to it. We were probably that person at one point ourselves. But Toastmasters offers a community. And that's why the Great 108 has stayed strong. Because it's not just meetings every Thursday. It's making sure that we're okay. We know each other's families. We know each other's lives. We know each other. We know each other as people. And that community now more than ever is crucial. And that is why I encourage every single person here, from our most seasoned members to our newest guests, if you like, to talk about Toastmasters. What makes it so great to you? And to bring in anyone you can, again, from strangers, friends, acquaintances, anyone who can benefit, which is everyone, essentially. And with that, I will hand it back over to our Toastmaster.
Wow.